Hey everybody, this is Steven with JSR Outdoors. We are getting ready and we're heading to the range right now. We were going to try and do some filming this weekend of a hunt, but the weather was too bad. I think it got down to, I believe, 21 degrees is what it felt like with the wind chill. And sure enough, nothing really moved that night. The same old hog was coming out, but other than that, there wasn't really much movement going on, so we didn't miss a whole lot. But we're gonna go ahead and head to the range. I just picked up a new optic that I'm gonna get sighted in, and I will tell you a little bit more about it when we get there. Parker's tagging along with me this morning.
I'm sighted my gun.
We're gonna get his rifle sighted in as well and get him learning how to sight in, how to shoot consistently, how to shoot groups. Not a whole lot of kids know how to do that nowadays, so I'd rather have him doing this than sit down playing Fortnite. So we'll get back with y'all as soon as we get to the range. A little look so y'all can see what we're shooting here today. That is an Aero Precision AR-15 chambered in 7.62 by 39. We got it topped with the ATN Excite 4K. Extremely accurate. Great setup. Get it ready to go.
What?
Get ready to go. Here, let me show you something. Back your chair up. Back your chair up. Now put your barrel on there. Can you see? Or is it too high? Too high?
Too high.
So let's take this one out. Put this. You don't want your magazine scraping on the table. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just relax and take your shots. Remember what I said, work on your groups. You want to have at least a half-inch group put together, okay?
Okay.
Good job, buddy. So we took a little break and we're just walking down to check out, see what our groupings are looking like. Looks like the 4K Pro is not doing too shabby. That's a 3x14, so the magnification is not as good as it was on the other, but I can also record my shots as I take them. So as y'all can see, it's not too bad. Looks like they're just one right on top of another on top of another. Maybe a little to the left, but that's a big group right there. We're going to try these top three and see what we get next. I wanted to see his groupings. It's not too bad. He's learning. As you can see, you can kind of see the difference of who's shooting where and who's shooting what, but he's learning, and that's what it's about. So he's starting off at 25 yards, and soon this will look like that. It's just about timing and consistency. At every age, you still have a job. His job, he has to get out in the cold and get the gate. Kind of sucks for him, but he wanted to come to the range and shoot this morning, so that's part of it. We just ended our day at the range. We had a good time. We were able to sit down, sight in Parker's little Tasco scope that he found on sale for $29.99 over the holidays. That was his first time ever using it, so it wasn't too far off. We got it sighted in, and he got some pretty good groupings. I was able to sight in the 4K Pro today, so we'll have it ready for this Friday night whenever we go back out to the blind. So overall, it's been a good morning. We did stop and we had some almost good gas station burritos. So we'll see what the rest of the day has in store for you. But hopefully I'll have this video, and I will also have another video coming in the next week or so. I don't want to just do product reviews, so my uploads aren't going to be as frequent as some people that do this full time. So anyway, be sure y'all like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.